has been 364 days since Indiana State has tasted victory. 364 days ago, it was in Carbondale, Illinois, against the Southern Illinois Salukis. Today, almost a full year later, Indiana State welcomes in SIU for homecoming of its own, as the Sycamores still trying to get the first win of the Kurt Mallory era, and it's going to have to take an effort, as Southern Illinois is coming off a 42-7 drubbing of top 15 Illinois State, as it's the 16th straight year SIU has beaten a ranked team in its program history. But Indiana State will look to win its 4th in a row against its Missouri Valley Football Conference rival today in SIU. Play action, looks deep, 3-step drop, has a man, Bob Pugh, wide open, caught at the near 20, streaking to the end zone.
Pugh's been able to show that he can do that this year. He's got great speed, can get behind a defender. He did so there, and Harker able to put that of the money so Pugh could catch it in stride and take it the rest of the way.
That's where Isaac will roll after play action. Lamont has a man, first down, it's Bob Pugh. Looking deep down the field, has Rontrez Morgan at the 5. Rontrez reaches with 2 hands and makes the grab. Officially at the 4-yard line. Lamont Booker, the near back to the near right hip of Isaac Harker. Ball spotted near right hash. It's Lamont, gets the carry, avoids 2 tacklers, continues to burst outside far numbers. 5 to the goal line. He's in. Touchdown, Indiana State. Lamont Booker.
What a move in the hole by Booker.
My goodness, what a move.
How do you make that guy miss? I mean, the tackler was right there, and then he wasn't.
5 seconds left in the opening quarter. Southern Illinois leads 17-14. Straub will throw. Evan Gill right in his face. It's intercepted by Anthony Tucker. Far sideline. Indiana State first down at 10. And at the end of the first quarter, what a bang to end the first quarter. Straub fakes the handoff to Isom, throws towards the end zone. Anthony Tucker skies with 2 hands and his second interception of his career and ball game. Straub under center, that power eye, Mixon right up the gut, he's stonewalled. Tackle for a loss. Ball comes out at the end. Are they going to give it to Indiana State? Yes! First down, Indiana State. Dejon Tyson and the Sycamores picking up a critical mistake.
Time.
2:08 till halftime. Thomas Bolden will stand on the M of Sycamores, and he boots it. What a punt by Thomas Bolden from the own end zone to the 20 at the 10 and 5, and it's a touchback. But Thomas Bolden went from end zone to end zone. School record. 90-yard punt is a school record, breaks the original school record, which was 80 yards back in 1969. It's a Missouri Valley Conference record by 1 yard. It breaks the 89-yard punt record by Mike Seifries in 2000. It's more than likely, I mean, you're going to need some type of big defensive turnover, or really probably a defensive score.
Yeah, you're at the point in the game where you can't win without help from Southern Illinois.
Yeah, drop, back to throw. Rondell Green's got it. He's going to the house. Pick 6 with 8:17 to go.
Well, that's what we were talking about. They got to help you out a little bit. You got to have a defensive score.
And Straub under center. It's going to be a handoff right up the gut. Walter reaches for the pylon and the goal line, and he's in for a touchdown, and that's the exclamation point with 4:03 to go in the 4th quarter. Southern Illinois puts the death nail on Indiana State, 44-24.